Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be directing you on how to participate in Energy Lab testnet. Okay, so this DeFi Energy Lab testnet is currently running testnet program, so that will actually position for their upcoming token launch. Okay, so for those of you who are not yet part of this testnet, so you have to register an account by creating your username, put your email and generate password and make confirmation. So you go ahead and sign up. So after you've actually registered an account, you have to actually log into your account. So let me quickly log in to show you how everything runs here. So guys, I have successfully logged into my account, and you can see the ticker is ENRG. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can position and get good reward right here. So the first thing you're going to be doing after you've logged in is to head over to these three lines by the top left corner. You will see some features like swap, stake, task and faucet. Okay, so the very first one you're going to be doing is to go ahead and click on this task. Okay, so once you've tapped on task, you will see that it's going to direct you to a new page. Remember, I'm using Mrs. browser, so in your Mrs. browser you should have something like this. You have extension, you have to install MetaMask extension wallet. You can see it here on my screen. So for those that are new to Airdrop, this is basically one of the vital thing you need to do. You have to have an extension app and integrate the wallet. Okay, so after you've done that, you can come here and then copy your Ethereum address from your MetaMask. Once you've created an account, you can come here and bind your Ethereum address. Now you have to go ahead and scroll down and see available task. So what you need to do now is to complete this task. Okay, complete all of them. Okay, complete all of them. So after you've successfully completed all of them, you can see there is a mint alpha. Okay, this is airdrop alpha benefit exclusive reward Discord alpha role. So what you need to do is to head over to this, go to task. Okay, so it's going to redirect us to this mint alpha NFT DeFi lab, and we wait for the new page to pop up. Okay, so you can see we have something here. So what you need to do now, let me quickly show you what this is talking about. So you can see alpha benefit of minting this NFT is all these things they have listed here, but it is not mandatory. Okay, so if you want to, if you have 0.0013 Ethereum, you can go ahead and mint, but if you don't have, you can go ahead and follow the next guide. Okay, it's not really it's not compulsory, it's actually fragment of the airdrop. Okay, so let's go back to the initial page. So once you are back to your dashboard, you go back to this page after you've completed all the tasks that I've shown you how to complete them. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to be doing is to create the to claim the faucet. You can see we have faucet here. Just tap on faucet, make sure you binded your EVM, which is MetaMask extension, and then connected your wallet. So you have to click claim now to collect 10 ENRG token. Okay, so once you've tapped, it is going to load up and claim successfully. So let's see how it's going to give us a feedback. So we have to wait and see the outcome of what we have claimed. So I think I have to log in again. So once you have successfully claimed, you can see already claimed today, to show you that this testnet is completed on daily basis. So once I have done this, I'll head over to the swap section. You can see we have swap here. Okay, So we're going to be swapping 5 times every day, okay, on this testnet to have good interaction volume. So what you need to do, you can see we have swap today 0/5. So the first one we're going to be swapping is, this is already at default and is what we have as the token. Okay, so you can see you can select any token here. So let's say we put 2, okay, because we have 10 test token claimed already. And select this. You can see it is constant, so just leave it there, and it's 1/1, okay, 1:1 ratio. So click on swap now. Right, so we are going to be doing 5 swap every single day. Okay, it's not really hard. So you can see it started counting. I've gotten 1/5, so I'll do it till I'll have 5/5. So I'll put another 2 token. I'll swap back. Okay, you can also swap okay, it's not really needed. So you can see each swap is giving me 20 energy point. So this is basically how you earn your point here. So let me transfer this and think, let me try and swap back this token. So I'll click to, I'm swapping back now. Change this WENRG to ENRG. Okay, so let me see what's going to give me. So I'm also getting point by swapping back. Okay, so remaining 3, so I'll put 2 again. I'll change this to WENG to ENG. Okay, I'll swap the remaining 2. So this is basically how you are going to be generating your point by doing daily swaps. So once you are done with 5 swaps, okay, you swap 5 times. Let me see, 2 is remaining, so I'll click on swap. Okay, so once I'm done, it's going to write 5/5, and that is okay. So I'll go to the pool and provide liquidity. You can see 5/5 has been completed. Okay, you can see it here, 5/5 has been completed. So once you are done with this, you can see daily limit reached, to show you that we get to acquire 20 points every day. So that is why it's very important you take it serious and do it on daily basis. Okay, so now get to staking. Can assure you this is one of the easiest testnet you can participate and expect your reward. Okay, so they have not taken snapshot, so you have to take it serious. Launching on 8th of June, they are listing on 8th of June, that is their TGE. So the next you are going to be doing to stake your tokens, you can see already on this. I've done for 2 good days. You can see they are both running active. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on stake. All right, so let me put something like let me see, maximum. So I'm clicking maximum. I think I have only 2 here, so I'll click on this, and each lock period is 30. So just do, is a kind of interaction, don't actually check any other thing. So click on stake now. So you load up. So it's loading up for you guys. It's also refreshed. I have to log in again. So let me quickly relog in. So guys, I've actually relogged in. So let's check if the staking was successful. If it wasn't successful, so we restake back. So make sure you do this testnet on daily basis to boost your point. Okay, so I'll click on stake now after I clicked on maximum. Okay, so it's loading. So the stakes has been successfully done. So and I'm going to be getting my point. Okay, so point your is locked for. Okay, so I earn 40 points for 40 energy point instantly. Okay, so that is basically how the airdrop works. So if you have more of this token, running, so you can actually get to increase your earnings. Okay, like this I got 220. Okay, so you can swap back to all this what is it called, when. So if you have actually, and that is why it's very important you go to the swap and swap all your ENR to WENR, because what you are staking to endpoint is WENRG. Okay, so you have to swap all your point to WENRG, then you go to staking and do the stakings to increase your point. Okay, you can see my points has been increased, and this is basically my balance. So what I'll be doing next is to convert all my ENRG to WENRG, because that is going to boost my point increment during the staking. Okay, so if you have converted this, which is the swapping, then it will increase your WENR. You can see I don't have WENRG here, but once I convert all of this to this during the swapping, so I'll make sure I exhaust this after claiming the next 4 cents. Okay, so that is basically how to run this testnet. It's very, very simple. Don't miss out, guys. So subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell to notify you whenever I drop video on this channel. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.